Hey guys, the recently awarded #1 camera phone in the world is now here in the Philippines, the HUAWEI P40 Pro. Let's check out what's inside the box. So this is the unboxing, the award-winning HUAWEI P40 Pro. Alright. Nice. Look at that beautiful color. I'm loving the layout of these lenses. Okay, you have your SIM pin right here, and then clear case for the camera phone, your USB-C charger cable, and earphones, and the newly designed fast charge 40-watt supercharging outlet charger. So there you have it. Let me show you now a few favorite features of mine. Full HD video calls with Huawei's Me Time with your friends, loved ones, and even with your pets. And it's just perfect for vlogging. So there you have it, the unboxing of the HUAWEI P40 Pro and some of my favorite features. See ya!